Get your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.
After creating and saving a document as a mail merge document, Word identifies it as a mail merge document each time it is opened in the future. To change the merged document back into a normal Word document, you must detach it from its associated data source. This way, when you open it, the document behaves as a normal Word document and no longer automatically opens its attached data source. To detach a data source from a merged document, open the Mail Merge document. Then simply click the Start Mail Merge button that appears in the Start Mail Merge button group on the Mailings tab in the ribbon. Then select the Normal Word Document choice from the drop-down menu that appears to convert the document back into a normal Word document.
Like what you see? Pick up your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.